tip number 8. When I started this journey last year, I found that there were many keto groups on Facebook, and I decided to join a few. They were very helpful in terms of recipes that they had tried, in terms of advice that they were giving to each other. But like anything, you have to be very careful with what you read and what you hear, and make sure you're not doing things that might be detrimental to your health. YouTube is filled with coaches who I found offer very good information on keto and ketones and staying in ketosis. I will admit that that's really not a big part of what I do. Using the South Beach Keto Friendly book, I've been able to find success and enjoy a lifestyle that's not committed to measurements of ketones. I committed myself to Dr. Agustin's plan. I made certain that I followed the 28-day rule. Within that time, I found that my addiction to sugar was completely removed. And as I said before, the sweeteners that we use will certainly satisfy your need for cakes, cookies, and flavored drinks. So stay with this now. See you soon.